to run, nowhere to hide. Not a ray of sunshine pierced through the sky. And it was so dark on that day, I couldn't even see my hand an inch from my face. I was working in the fields all day, plowing, hoping for a change. There hadn't been any rain, everything's gonna stay the same. Black clouds started rolling in, carrying the dust of sin. I knew I had to get in before the storm hits. When the storm hits, you gotta be inside. And I can testify, you won't believe your eyes. When the storm hits, the fear inside, oh, it magnifies just about 10,000 times. Got to the door, turned around and bright, looking for my pa, but he was nowhere in sight. Started screaming into the sky, telling him to get on inside, 'cause he's surely gonna die if he stays outside. When the storm hits, will you hunker down? Will you make the run into the house to be safe and sound? I made the run and left my dad in the sun. Now he's not around, 'cause he hunkered down.